Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Live, Love and Chill. Today we are going to make Modaka. We all know that it is the favorite food of Lord Ganesh ji. So we are going to make it on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. So let's begin with the recipe. Firstly, I am going to prepare the dough. For that I have kept 1 cup of water for boiling. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of ghee. If you need ghee more, you can add more as well. Bring it to a boil. Now add the boiled water to the rice flour. Here I have taken 1 cup of fine rice flour. Mix it nicely and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Another pan, I have taken half cup of jaggery. Let it melt completely. If you want it too sweet, you can add more as well. This is medium sweet. Add about 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once it is completely melted, add about 1 cup of coconut. For half cup of jaggery, 1 cup of coconut is enough. Now mix it properly and fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add a little bit of cashew peas. It is optional. If you don't want that, you can skip it, or else you can add resin as well if you want. Pinch of cardamom as well for the flavor. Mix it nicely and keep it aside for it to cool down. Now the dough is rested. Apply a teaspoon of ghee and knead it properly until you get a smooth and soft dough. You can add water as well if the dough seems dry. Let it rest for 1 more minute. Has rested now. Take small portion of the dough in the size of small lemon. Flatten it as shown. Apply some ghee or water to your hand so that it is easier to get the shape. Then flatten it as needed and keep it thin on the outer side and let it be little thicker on the middle portion. So this is the first method I am going to show you. Place the stuffing as required and fold it like this. Press it lightly from the side so it is sealed properly. Now take a fork and remove the excess portion. It is optional, you can just cook it as it is, but I am going to make it look pretty by giving it a proper shape. After cutting excess portion, just press the fork like this and make lines on the sides of the modak. For the second method, I have taken another piece of dough and make a ball of this stuffing and keep it in the middle. Just cover the stuffing from all the sides and give it this shape. You don't need to give any other pattern. You just keep that sharp edge and roll the bottom as you are going to make. Roll it properly so that the sides are smoothly shaped. A fork. Make sure that the side of the fork is dipped with ghee so that the dough doesn't stick to the fork, and make patterns like this using that fork. Do not apply too much pressure. If you apply too much pressure, the fork will get inside the dough and go for the stuffing. You just need to keep it and press it a little bit so that you get that. Now it is done. So I have prepared these mini modaks from the stuffing and the dough that I prepared. Now steam this in a steamer for about 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. Once it is steamed, the modak is ready to be served. We all know that this is very special for Lord Ganesh Ji. So do try this method. It is very easy. The shaping is not at all that difficult. Before I also used to get very scared that I'll not get the proper shape. But this method helped me a lot. If you like my way of making this delicious and cute modak, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. See you in my next video. Thank you.